Welcome to Best Choice. The best Nintendo Switch Lite is probably one of the most adorable and practical handheld gaming consoles available, and to truly elevate your gaming experience, a few key accessories can make all the difference, especially when you're looking for that perfect pop of color. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pink Nintendo Switch Lite accessories, exploring the must-have items that not only enhance functionality but also add a touch of personal style to your beloved device, ensuring every gaming session is as comfortable and visually pleasing as possible. Number 5. innoAura Switch Lite 18-in-1 Accessories Bundle, Coral. Get everything you need for your Switch Lite with this comprehensive 18-in-1 accessory bundle. It includes a protective carrying case, game holder, screen protector, and cute thumb grips, all in a stylish coral color. This hard shell case is built to last, offering dust resistance and robust protection against drops and collisions. It also features convenient storage for up to 8 game cards and small accessories in its mesh compartment. Take your gaming on the go with ease. It comes with a shoulder strap for hands-free carrying and a wristband to prevent accidental drops. You can adjust the strap to use it as a shoulder bag or a handbag. Enjoy comfortable handheld gaming with the ergonomic grip designed for your comfort. The 9H hardness screen protector provides crystal clear, high-definition clarity for an immersive viewing experience. This bundle makes an ideal gift for any Nintendo Switch Lite fan. It's travel-friendly, keeps all your essential accessories organized, and includes a stylus pen for added convenience. What we like. This bundle offers a comprehensive set of accessories for your Switch Lite. It includes everything from a protective case to game card storage and comfort grips. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to protect and organize your Switch Lite for travel, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Nintendo Switch Lite is a handheld-only device, making it more portable and affordable than the standard Switch. It features a built-in plus control pad for comfortable gaming on the go. The device comes in a variety of colors, including a vibrant pink, which is appealing to many users. Number 4. FIWWAT Protective Case for Nintendo Switch Lite, Pink. This case offers comprehensive protection with its shock-absorbent TPU and anti-scratch screen. It's designed to make your device more durable and sturdy against daily wear and tear. Experience enhanced comfort during long gaming sessions thanks to its ergonomic design. The smooth, matte texture feels great in your hands, making extended play more enjoyable. Installing and removing this case is a breeze, ensuring a bubble-free fit. Its slim profile makes it perfect for travel, easily protecting your device from bumps, scratches, and dust. It fits your device snugly, providing seamless access to all buttons and functions. You won't need to remove it to enjoy all its features. Personalize your device with its unique back design, allowing you to insert pictures for a custom look without needing a separate skin. It also comes in exquisite packaging, making it a perfect gift. Before installation, remember to remove the protective films from the inner side of the upper screen case to avoid bubbles and ensure optimal touch sensitivity. What we like. This case provides robust protection with its shock-absorbent TPU and built-in PC screen. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. If you prioritize a comfortable, secure fit and a sleek look for your Switch Lite, this option is ideal. What people say. The color is a very pretty pastel pink, exactly as pictured. It fits perfectly on the Nintendo Switch Lite and doesn't obstruct any buttons or ports. Silicone material feels nice and provides a good grip, making it comfortable to hold for long gaming sessions. Number 3. eXtremeRate Cherry Blossoms Pink Shell for Nintendo Switch Lite. Give your Nintendo Switch Lite a unique look with this custom replacement shell. It's designed to fit perfectly and function just like the original. The beautiful cherry blossoms pink border adds a touch of personality to your device. It's a great way to make your handheld console stand out. Installation requires some electronic experience. We provide a helpful video guide on YouTube to assist you through the process. Watch it at half speed for best results. For an even more cohesive look, consider pairing this shell with our replacement controller buttons. It's a fantastic way to customize your entire setup. This kit includes everything you need for a full replacement, including the front and back shells, buttons, and a screen protector. Please note that the console itself is not included. We are committed to providing high-quality products. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. What we like. This product allows for a complete customization of your Switch Lite's appearance. It's a replacement shell that lets you express your style with a unique cherry blossom design. If you're someone who loves to personalize their devices and has some technical skill, this is the perfect way to give your Switch Lite a fresh, new look. What people say. The Nintendo Switch Lite is a compact, handheld-only device, making it ideal for gaming on the go. Its lightweight design and integrated controls ensure comfortable play sessions, even during extended use. The vibrant pink color option adds a stylish aesthetic, appealing to those who want a personalized gaming experience. Number 2. Pink Travel Carrying Case Kit for Nintendo Switch OLED. Introducing a comprehensive accessory kit designed to protect your Nintendo Switch OLED. This set offers robust defense against daily wear and tear, ensuring your console stays safe. Crafted with high-quality PU and EVA materials, this case provides excellent protection from water, dust, and scratches. The soft interior lining ensures a comfortable and secure fit for your device. This 10-in-1 set includes a protective hard case, an adjustable stand for comfortable viewing, a screen protector, and cute thumb grip caps. It has everything you need for an enhanced gaming experience. With 10 built-in game card slots and a mesh pocket, you can easily carry your favorite games and small accessories like earphones or charging cables. The secure zipper closure keeps everything in place. Packaged in a special gift box, this travel case is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful gift for any Nintendo Switch OLED owner. We are committed to providing the best solution for any missing or damaged accessories. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we are here to help if you have any concerns. What we like. This is a beautifully curated 10-in-1 accessory kit with a charming pink theme. It includes a protective bag, case, stand, screen protector, and more, all designed for the Switch OLED. If you're looking for a delightful gift for a girl or someone who loves all things pink and cute, this set is a perfect choice for both style and functionality. What people say. The color is a beautiful vibrant pink. It is lightweight and easy to hold for extended gaming sessions. The buttons are responsive and well-placed for comfortable gameplay. Number 1. GLDRAM Pink Strawberry Case for Nintendo Switch Lite. Introducing a charming pink strawberry design, specifically crafted for your Nintendo Switch Lite. This adorable pattern is built to last, ensuring it won't peel off over time. It's the perfect cute accessory for any girl or woman. This portable case offers robust, scratch-resistant protection for your device. The soft velvet interior prevents scratches, while the nylon mesh pocket and TPU shell ensure your Switch Lite stays safe from daily wear and tear. Carry your Switch Lite with ease thanks to the adjustable shoulder strap, allowing for hands-free travel. The convenient hand strap also ensures it stays secure, and its slim profile makes it easy to slip into any bag. Never worry about scattered accessories again. This case features a zippered mesh pocket for organized storage and 8 elastic card slots to hold your favorite games, making it easy to choose your next adventure. This bundle includes a pink Switch Lite carry case, a cute TPU shell, a glass screen protector, thumb grip caps, and a shoulder strap. We also offer long-term friendly customer service for any questions you may have. What we like. This accessory kit features an adorable pink strawberry design that's sure to stand out. It offers great protection for your Switch Lite and is designed for easy portability. If you love cute aesthetics and need a practical, lightweight travel solution for your Switch Lite, this set is a sweet pick. What people say. The color is a beautiful vibrant pink, exactly as pictured. It feels very sturdy and well-made, not flimsy at all. The grip is comfortable for long gaming sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.